Have you seen Crazy Rocket Man? He's an older guy who rides around on a self-built pulse jet. Crazy Rocket Man testing really big 400-pound thrust pulse jet engine. Holy shit. This man rides around on a warhead. Oh my goodness. Jiminy Christmas. Seems like something your dad would make. True. Thanks for 5 gift subs, good pill. Does he ride this one, or is he just strictly testing?
Of course, I'm not gonna go that fast. Just doing a test run out here. It shut off on its own. All those.
Okay, I want to see one where he rides it. Rocket Sled Grinch Stealing Christmas. Damn, that's cool. That has to be scary as fuck to actually, like, operate, though. Like, one wrong turn, this thing just capsizes and you just die. What's his most popular rocket? Pressure jet go-kart. Wow. He's riding a bomb. Take the prime claw, Huffle, and the resub Farah. That actually looks like it's about to melt. He's having so much fun too. Wait, is he merging? I thought he was gonna go on like the main road. He stayed in the far right lane. Though there is a car coming in the far right lane, it looks like. Damn, that thing is intense.
Stand by.
Good shit. A skateboard? He's actually straddling it this time. Oh my god, he's got his hand right next to it too. This man is fearless. An explosion is just extra speed though, to be fair. Thanks to the resub factor. No, I haven't seen the speech yet. God damn. Holy shit, this one's got like 12.
Okay, I'm gonna try to light up the beast. It's hard to drive with one hand, so if the camera work isn't worth a darn, sorry about that.
Woo! Oh fuck! Man, it looks like the shit that killed the Terminator. Just like they took the pool of it and made it into an engine. How is that not melting right now? I don't get it. That is superheating back there. Thanks for the 5 gift subs again, Jay. And yeah, we've seen that, Kopi. Thanks for the bits, Jim.
About half throttle. Well, you can see a bunch of smoke and stuff going on here. That's nothing. All that is my spark plug wire. Just burns. Every time I fire the thing up, I replace the little wire. It's no big deal. Man, I tell you what, this thing is so much fun. It's really hard to drive with one hand, though. If I had both hands, I would have cranked the thing up because I was still out of the throttle by a long ways. But this thing,
Just mount it and let's see this shit wide open.
Through the lake bed, you can just come flying into a corner at
Holy
60 miles
moly.
an hour and just kick it
Goodness
around
gracious.
with the roadies. It's really cool. Well,
That is pretty cool. Crazy Rocket Man, huh? That is pretty fucking cool, Robert. Moby huge rocket car win. Ooh, that would be awesome. I would never get on it though.